Russia's hypersonic missiles have come under discussion in the Ukraine war. Russia is routinely destroying several Ukrainian military installations using these hypersonic missiles. Countries are competing to build these hypersonic missiles. If you want to know this information, watch this video till the end. In the same way, this hypersonic missile is called hypersonic missile because it can hit 5 times more than sound. The hypersonic missile has a range of 5 miles per second. The hypersonic missile is so powerful that if a country is attacked with this missile, it will have no weapons to repel it. So far, China and Russia have been ahead in the field of hypersonic missile development and technology. It can be said that China and Russia are on an equal footing here. For some US military officials, China has acknowledged that China is 1,000 years ahead of us in building hypersonic missiles.